Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Just saying yes sir doesn't help. You say yes sir 10 times and get scolded 20 times. Alright? Let's start. So we have Lach also. And Nihit also is not in the class. The weather is pretty good. If anybody comes to the classroom, they'll be very comfortable. It's a very nice weather outside. You can look at what my neighbors are doing. Forget about math class. Right?
Thank you very much.
Now I know who is doing all that. Alright, so let's get started. Today being Saturday, we'll check the tables first and then we will see what we want to learn this week. Alright, so I will go in a certain order alphabetically. So we'll start with Ahana. Ahana, ready?
Yes.
Table till?
9.
8 8 ja.
I mean 8.
8. Okay, 8 4 ja.
8 4 is 32.
4 9 ja.
4 9 is 36.
5 7 ja.
5 7 is 40.
35.
4
4 8 ja.
8 is 32.
3 9 ja.
39 is 27.
8 6 ja.
8 6 48.
Good job. Now there is an unwanted student in the class. Let me kick him out.
Who is it?
Is it the AI?
Yug was doubting about himself actually.
Sir, is it the AI?
Yeah, it is. AI is the most useless student in my class. I don't want to see AI in the class.
That's kind of AI
I'm
is
asking
absolute
you
idiot.
said,
Okay.
you said yes, why not? Some
Yeah.
exciting questions.
Yeah. I killed AI, don't worry about it. Alright, let's continue. So Ahana shared her tables. Let's quickly check. So Virat, you can take your backpack out. You ready? Table till?
Still 11.
8 9 ja.
8 9. 72.
9 4 ja.
26.
4 8 ja.
32.
3 9 ja.
27.
9 9 ja.
81.
11 4 ja.
44.
8 7 ja.
86. 56.
Good job, but more practice. You're still counting a little bit. Gradually, you'll be away from that counting thing because if I ask you a question on table till 5, you're doing much better. When it goes beyond 6 7, that is when you start. No, not needed. Okay. All right. Okay. Stop there. Anahita, ready? Anahita, unmute yourself, beta. Yeah. Table till. Everybody else has to be on mute. Only the child whose name I'm calling out, they have to unmute yourself. Everybody else has to be on mute so that there's no background noise. You have to be on mute. You have to be on mute. Not that way. You have to be on mute. Okay. So Anahita, table till?
14.
12 9 ja.
108.
13 4 ja.
46.
52.
52.
14 4 ja.
56.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 8 ja.
96.
14 7 ja.
I think I only learned up to 14.5, so.
Okay. 14 4 ja. Oh, you already said that. Okay. 13 7 ja.
I forgot.
91. Okay. But you're doing fine. It's okay. I mean, Siva Kesava, go ahead. I'll not hold you here in a critical situation. All right. Let's go to Noah. Noah, ready?
Yes.
Table till
12.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 7 ja.
63.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 9 ja.
79. 63.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Okay. So let's go to Riyansh. Riyansh, ready?
Yes.
Table till.
12.
Keep your video on, beta, okay? I want to see all of you. Okay. Okay. Same thing for Sianvi also. Keep your video on. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so table till 12. 13, 12 5 ja.
60.
3 8 ja.
34.
2 4 ja.
8.
12 7 ja.
72.
84 84 84 84. 9 7 ja.
63.
12 5 ja.
60.
Good job. Let's go to Sianvi. Yes. Somebody saying something? Okay. Sianvi, ready?
Yeah.
Table till
13.
13 4 ja.
52.
12 9 ja.
81.
13
Wait,
8
no.
ja. 13 12 9 ja.
108.
13 7 ja. 91. So you and Anahita are both good friends now. You both forgot 13 7 ja together. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. It's okay. I mean, if I'm saying something, I don't mean it. I'm just making sure everybody's awake after a heavy lunch. Alright? And you guys are used to my dad jokes any which way. Right? Okay. So 13 6 ja.
Wait, 13 sixes?
Mm-hmm.
78.
Good job. Let's go to Kian. Kian, ready?
Yes, sir. I was talking to the mute button. My bad. Yes,
Wonderful.
sir.
Okay. Table till
30.
13 5 ja.
13 fives are 75.
65. 12 9 ja.
12 nines are 108.
8 8 ja.
88 are 64.
13 6 ja.
13 6 78.
78. 12 4 ja.
12 fours are 48.
Good job. Now let's go to Rudraksh. Otherwise Rudraksh will fall asleep. Table till
12.
4 9 ja.
36.
5 8 ja.
40.
12 4 ja.
48.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 7 ja.
72?
84, 84. Good job. So you're doing fine. Just see why I was asking table of 3. Because what happens is we are always progressive in nature. Oh, I learned 12, I learned 13, I learned 14. What happened to table of 2? We can't forget that. So we'll keep on building on a solid base. We cannot make the base shake. That's why I ask, that's why I juggle between big numbers and small numbers, okay? If I'm asking anybody table like 2 3 ja, no, I'm not doubting anybody. I'm trying to figure out how quickly you're able to juggle between easy and difficult ones. If you're able to do it, that means you have memorized it well. And it will help you in a big way in the exam also. Pradeep, hands down. I'm not talking to anybody, I'm just asking questions. Hold it for now. Because, no, I'm not letting anybody talk right now. Let me first quickly complete tables. Then I'll come to you. Laksh.
13.
4 9 ja.
36.
13 8 ja.
13 days. 104.
104. 12 7 ja.
12 sevens are 84.
8 8 ja.
8 is 64.
12 9 ja.
No, not 108.
13 9 ja.
13 nines. 117.
117. Good job. Let's go to Mandeep now. Now Mandeep, your turn comes. Unmute yourself and tell me what you want to say. Ta-
Table till 12.
12. So see, why I was stopping you was because I'm trying to minimize on the discussion in between, because that will delay the whole thing, okay? We have not learned anything, we are just taking tables. So table till 12. 8 7 ja.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
56.
12 5 ja.
60.
9 6 ja.
54.
12 7 ja.
84.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job.
And then also
Uh-huh.
the reason why you asked the table of 3 is for the person who knows up to maybe like 13 or 14, but the reason is as you get older, you sometimes forget stuff.
So I'll not let you guys forget any which way. That's my job. So I will keep waking everybody up. So sit properly. You're in the class. You're not watching a movie or not enjoying a beach. Any which ways, it's getting cold, so you're not supposed to go to the beach. Okay. All right. Let's come here. And okay. So let's go to Mishika. Mishika, ready?
Yes.
Table till
20.
20. 8 9 ja.
8 9 is 72.
19 5 ja.
19 5 ja.
Uh-huh.
95.
4 9 ja.
36.
17 6 ja. 17
100 and
12. 17 6 112. 18 5 ja.
18 5 ja. 90.
28 ja.
160.
Wonderful. Okay. So let's go to so basically you're doing perfectly fine, Mishika. I mean, good thing is you don't have to go beyond 20. So now whatever you have learned, keep practicing it, make it rock solid, and you will see the magic of it any which way. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So what happened, Noah? Your hair is defying gravity right now. Okay. Let's go to Aniket. Aniket, ready?
11.
11 5 9 ja.
45.
6 7 ja. नहीं पता. 8 5 ja.
40.
40. 7 7 ja. बोल गया. See, that's how I'm falling in love with these younger kids.
I'm trying.
You're doing wonderful, beta. There's nothing to take stress. Math is a subject that I want each one of you to enjoy. Okay? Don't you forgot something? Do it one more time. Do it again tomorrow. Next time when we meet, if you miss something, you'll catch up. It's okay. The sky is not falling apart. Okay? Don't worry about it. 5 9 ja. Aniket. Few more questions, then we'll be good.
45.
6 7 ja.
42.
Yeah, you heard it. Good job. Let's go to Virat. Table till 12 5 ja.
60.
2 9 ja.
18.
3 5 ja.
15.
12 7 ja.
12 and is 84.
7 9 ja.
7 and 60.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Let's go to Mandeep. Go on mute And Sanvi B.
Yes.
Table till.
13,
12 5 ja.
16,
13 3 ja.
39,
2 3 ja. 12 9 ja.
I forgot.
108. 13 4 ja.
34, 52.
13 7 ja.
What?
13 7 ja.
13, 7,
Go ahead now.
I forgot.
So now we have three friends. Sanvi B, Anahita, and Sriyanvi. Okay, let's move on. So I'm just kidding. So I'm not really worried if you forget something, because it's not a one-day thing. It's not that you remember today and you forgot, everything falls apart. No, it doesn't work that way. We'll keep on practicing things, and that is how it will make it perfect. Now let's go to Nihit. Nihit, are you drawing my picture still?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Table till
12.
12. So Nihit, see again, Nihit is one of those, no, I mean, all of you are cute any which way. But Nihit, when he came to my class, right, he was a very quiet guy. He will not talk. He will not make noise. He will not bother anybody. He'll quietly sit in a corner. I'll ask him, okay, do you know tables? He'll say, I have not learned them enough. So he started with 2. And then he kept on working on it without making noise, without bothering anybody. And quietly he'll sit in a corner while he's waiting for his turn. He will keep drawing some picture. Okay, I mean, I claim that this is my picture. I don't think any of those pictures I look like. But yeah, Nate, I mean, like you guys are all close to my heart, so he is also one of them. So Nate, table till
12.
12, 5 9 ja,
45.
6 7 ja,
42.
8 8 ja,
64.
12 4 ja,
48.
5 7 ja,
35.
12 9 ja,
108.
11 7 ja.
77.
Good job. Now you guys know why I say he is quiet, but he does his job. Okay? I mean, all of you do, but yeah. I mean, sometimes I call out so that you get the takeaway. Okay? Let's go to movie. Movie ready? Table till Rudraksh.
5.
5. Okay. 2 4 ja.
8.
3 7 ja.
21.
4 5 ja.
20.
20. 5 9 ja.
45.
4 9 ja. 36. Yeah. No. So you're doing good, beta. You're catching up pretty well. So I want you to practice table till 5 for sure. You're pretty much there. And then on the top of that, add 6 also for the next class. Meaning next Saturday. So you have basically, that way you have somebody is doing something with a timer. I see 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Don't play with that, all those things, okay? If it's AI, that is understandable, but if you guys are doing it, don't do it.
I'm
So-
not doing anything.
No, I mean,
I see the timer. I was trying to remove it.
oh, okay. If you did that, thank you for that. Because I was not knowing what's happening here on the screen. Some timer and all of a sudden the...
set the timer. One time it was like 0, calling 10, and it was
Okay. So let's. Okay, guys, stop your, control your emotions. Okay, we're not debating on that one. I was just saying that there's a timer in the corner which is getting my attention without a reason. Let's not debate on that. So, movie point for you is table till 5, you're doing fine. You have to obviously keep on practicing. Add table of 6 also for the next class. Okay, it's like, I mean, adding one on the top of that. Okay, yeah, all right. And I would certainly want to see you in the class as well, beta. You were coming to the class before, now you're doing remote, but yeah, sometimes in between. All right, let's go to Anika. Anika, ready?
Yes.
Table till
12.
5 9 ja.
45.
12 7 ja.
84.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Shivakesh, ready? Mandeep, go ahead. Shivakesh, ready? Table till
14.
14. 12 4 ja.
48.
13 7 ja.
91.
8 9 ja.
8 9's 73.
72.
Sorry.
14 7 ja.
14 7's I mean 98.
98. 13 8 ja. 104. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to Sanvi G. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till.
12.
Okay. 8 8 ja.
64.
7 9 ja.
Huh?
7 9 ja.
63.
12 4 ja.
48.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 9 ja.
108.
7 6 ja.
7 6, sir. 42.
Good job. Now let's go to only child who has to change his name if he doesn't want to wait this long. That is Ved. Starts with V. If I'm going alphabetically, his name comes very much to the end. Ved, ready, beta?
Yes.
Table till
12.
12 4 ja.
48.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 7 ja.
77.
9 6 ja.
54.
6 9 ja.
54.
12 4 ja.
48.
Good job. So now I'm observing something in the class. Can I expect everybody to be awake? Yug, can you wake up? Okay. So I see something keeps falling. Home. So sometimes the pencil falls, sometimes the water bottle falls, sometimes the notebook falls, sometimes he himself falls.
What?
All that is okay, provided your t-shirts and your clothes don't start falling. That will be the last thing to happen in the class. Jokes apart, on a serious note, control your emotions. I'm just trying to make sure that everybody. Done? Are you guys done laughing? Let's start. Okay. Take a deep breath, you'll be fine. Take a deep breath and fine. It was not that great a joke where people can laugh for 10 minutes. Okay. It was a horrible joke. and my kids call it a dad joke, so that's what it is. Let's come back to the class. Okay? So what are we wanting to learn today? We are wanting to learn, let's see, I'm sorry,
Exponents.
exponents. Exponents in this class?
Yeah.
No.
Standard leaf block. I know what time
Leaf bar graph.
Leaf, stem and leaf
Yes,
plot, stem and leaf plot and scatter plots. Because we are talking about data representation. Scatter.
Scatter plot. I know.
If you were knowing it, why are you wasting your time in this classroom? There will be things that you will come to learn. And that's okay. Yeah, Naita.
Should I tell what it means?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. A scatter plot is basically like
You have to stop that. And you have to stop it as well. Just once again, Anita. I'm speechless right now. Just once again, Anita. Just once again. I'm speechless right now. But don't think there's a luxury you have for doing all the nonsense. Can you stop doing all that you are doing? And Rudrash, you're done enough flying that one. Keep it aside. Take that wrapper out. I don't want to see that. And you'll sit properly as if you're in a classroom. And things which are falling should stop falling right now. What are you doing right now? This is not for the kids. This is for the parents. To be aware that when the kids are sitting in the class, they're not supposed to do drawing. And this is Yuk's drawing. So that everybody knows. Guys, stop laughing. Right now I'm not in a very good mood. I see these things being a distraction to the class. Okay? Now, yeah. Scatter plot and stem and leaf plot. Let's see what Anita was saying. Sorry, but I stopped you because I was getting distracted. Yeah, go ahead.
so like a scatter plot has like the quantity like two like things on the sides
Mhm.
and like it has dots on where like the things fall. And seven leaf plot is like it represents the numbers. There's like a stem which is like if you want to represent 28 and 32,
Mhm.
on one side there's a 2, and
Okay.
then on the other side there's all the numbers that fall. So you have data like 28, 25, 26, 23,
Okay.
27. You can put all those numbers on the other side.
Okay.
7.
That is stem and leaf plot. So yeah, let's go to lunch. Can you describe what is a stem and leaf plot and scatter plot in the simplest possible?
I never knew standard plot?
No, stem and leaf plot and scatter plot. These are two things that we are going to learn.
I don't know scatter plot.
Okay.
Like the seven leaf plot, the numbers are on the stem.
Okay.
So it's like what digits are, what numbers are there, like what numbers are in each
Oh yeah,
element.
you got hands down. I've seen it. You don't have to put your hand on my head so that it bothers me. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
And the leaf right next to the stem represents how many of that element in this data set are there.
Okay. All right. So Ria, you got a little late. We started at 4 o'clock. But the good news is you have not missed much. Because on Saturdays, we first check the tables for all the kids. So initial 20 minutes were gone checking the tables for everybody. And then 5 minutes were gone for a very interesting exercise that was happening in the class. One of the kids was purposefully trying to disturb the whole class. And then I got distracted. So you have not missed anything. Okay. Only thing is, I have not checked your tables so far. So which we can do in the class tomorrow also. So right now in this group, we are learning data representation. That is where we talked about bar graph, pie chart, histogram. And now we are talking about stem and leaf plot and the scatter plot. That's what we are going to cover. Okay. So I'll come to you. if anybody raised hand, I have noticed that. Can you keep that stupid bottle away from you? Yeah, please. Because first he will take the wrapper out of it and then wrap it around his pencil and then fly like a flag. Now he's scrunching it to make those interesting sound, as if I'll start dancing on the tune of the sound. All right. So Mandeep, go ahead.
So I'm not really explaining anything, but is a scatter plot same as a dot plot?
No, so if it was the same thing, why to even have two different names? They are different. Okay. Laksh, you're saying something?
Oh, when a data representation, there's also 4 types of data.
What are those?
First-hand data, second-hand data, quantitative data, and qualitative data.
That is going too much for me. I will not worry about that for now. So, but I mean, again, I'm not denying what you said, but just to keep it simple and easy to digest for all of us, okay? Because Ria also has recently realized that her teacher is not very intelligent. So I'll keep it light and easy to digest. Noah, you're saying something. Rudraj, control. Yeah, Noah, go ahead.
I forgot my question.
Don't worry about it. We are anyway going to learn. So, yeah, go ahead. What about?
So I know there's a stem leaf plot.
Tell me what is that?
So basically, on the stem, there are just numbers, and there's like this and if you want to separate the numbers, so let's take an example as 1, and there you want to like put in order as 15, 16, 17. You put 1 on the stem and the numbers like 17 after 1, the number after the first.
That is what I'll explain now. Okay, let me explain that now. Because you are saying numbers in air. And numbers in air translates into a airy math or a scary math. Right? So let's come back to this one. So stem and leaf, most of you know about it. Stem and leaf is a pattern that helps us break down a number into 2 parts and represent that in a much more easier way. Let's say, Shivakesava, put that down. Put that thing down. Okay. Now, here let's say you all went for an exam and everybody got some marks. Okay. So let's say the exam was for 50 marks. Okay. Some kids, Yog, some kids got score in the range of 0 to 10. Some kids got score in the range of 11 to 9 to 20. Some kids got 21 to 30. Some kids got 31 to 40. In this range, some kids got 41 to 50 range. Now, I'm plotting detail for the 4 kids who got between 0 to 10, meaning who did not prepare well for the exam. Okay. So, 5, 6, 8, 4. That could have waited for 20 more minutes. Sky was not falling, better. Seriously. Go and sit on your place. I want you guys to be very serious and disciplined about the time that we are here in the class for. If everybody puts 2 minutes of wastage, we have 15 kids in the class, 30 minutes will go wasted for everybody. And 30 minutes multiplied by 15 kids here, we are talking about a waste of 7.5 hours. That is good enough to color this whole garage. That much time. Okay, coming back here. So, these are the kids who got a score in the range of 0 to 10. Now, let's say this one is talking about 5 kids who got this in the range of 10 to 15. Sorry, 11 to 20. So basically, I'm just trying to plot it in a way that instead of looking at all the numbers isolated as unorganized data, can you sit on one? Sit this way, okay? If I am a student, I am sitting only like this for 1 hour, one solid hour, and focusing on what's happening on the board. Not like this, not like this, not like this. No, you're not being disciplined. If you were in India, if you're going to school in India, you would have got your lesson on day 1. You're lucky that you're not in India right now.
If you do that, Ethan, then you get slapped by the stick.
I'm not talking about it. I'm just saying that unfortunately here, kids don't get the opportunity to get disciplined. And that is a big problem for everybody. Now everybody is hearing my outburst, which is not needed for this class. Okay, so coming back to this one. So this stem and leaf plot is like, some people got 20, some people got 15, some people got 17, some people got 33, some people got 47. What this does is, it breaks this into this different stem and leaf. So it says, okay, everything 0 to 10, this is my stem, 5, 6, 9, 8. All these are 0, 10th place you have 0, and then all this on this one. This is the stem for 1. 15, 17, 16, 19, everything is coming on this one. So that's why it's called stem and leaf. So this is the stem, this sets the range. This is the stem. One stem is with 0 in the 10th place, one stem with a 1 in the 10th place, one stem with a 2 in the 10th place, and that way you can see, okay, fine. In every range, how many kids are there? Yes, Mandeep.
Did someone get a 100?
So you don't have a stem. How would you put a leaf on that? You had a test of 50 marks. Okay? So you're talking about any number ranging from 00 to 50. Now this portion becomes a stem. This is a stem for the range of 0 to 9. This is stem for 10 or 11 to 20. Then there is a stem for 21 to 30. There is a stem for 31 to 40. And there is a stem for 41 to 50. Now if you're talking about 100, see all this is a technique for representing data. If you know what are the ranges that you're going to talk about, you'll have that many stems. It just helps you organize your data and represent that in a way that is readable, that is interpretable, that makes some sense to everybody.
So, sir,
Yeah?
basically, how many other categories you have in which you're organizing the data, such as 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, etc. That's how many stems you're going to
Exactly.
have. And depend.
You're grouping them. As simple as that, okay? Let's keep it short. You're just grouping the data in different range, and that becomes a stem. So you say, okay, this is my stem, these are the leaves coming out of it. This is the stem, there is the leaf coming, these are the leaves coming out of it. Yeah?
And then the numbers, like let's say for 0 to 10, 4 people got that. So then you're going to put 4 leaves.
4 leaves, exactly. So here you had 4, so you'll have 4 leaves. This stem here you had 5, so you'll have 5 leaves. Or maybe to make the picture look better, you will say this is another leaf. That's it. So again, when you look at stem and leaf plot, this is nothing but in the simplest way. You're dealing with a range of data, you're categorizing them, grouping them. Every group is called your stem, and then you have leaves coming out of it. So mostly stem and leaf plot, you will not see like a picture, you will always see a table. But the way you read it is, okay, first data is this and this, 0 and 5. Second data is 0 and 6. Third data is 0 and 8. Fourth data is 0 and 4. Here, the first data in this stem and leaf is 12, 13, 18, 15, 16. This is how you read it. Yep. I hope everybody is clear about it and there is no doubt. Is there a doubt?
No.
Ria, are you okay, beta? Yep. Shanvi? Samanvita?
Yeah.
Samanvita, you also did not get a chance to share your tables today, right? So Samanvita and okay. I'm sorry?
I said yeah.
Yeah. So Samanvita and Ria will share the tables tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay. But is everybody clear? Now, I want to make something, and most of you said that you have not heard of something called scatter plot. Yeah? Has anybody heard about scatter plot?
No.
No.
No?
But that kind
You-
of sounds like scattered the glass.
Okay, so there's no reason to guess. No.
Wait, but is it like so when there's 10, you scatter them into like equal groups?
Okay, so it's okay. I want you guys to think about things that you are not aware of, but okay, let's see what Anahita says.
So,
Anahita is saying something to the mute button which I can barely hear. Yeah.
In my school, we call it a dot plot.
No, dot plot and scatter plots are different. Okay, guys, stop playing with the emojis. Mandeep, stop emojis immediately, right now. I told you guys not to use emojis except for two reasons. When you want to use the restroom, you will click on this. When you are back from the restroom, you will click on this. There is no other button to be clicked. Okay. Sanvi G was also trying to say something.
Wait, I forgot.
Okay. Now let me use the remaining 15-16 minutes we have. I will not react to it. Let's move on. The remaining time that we have, let's try to understand what is a scatter plot. Now, imagine watching the sky in the night. What do you see?
Scattered stars.
Stars that are everywhere and not together.
No, there is no need to describe. The answer could have been one word: stars. Mandeep, you have to be on mute always. If you want to say something, you'll raise your hand, and that has to be a legitimate question. Okay, I'm not here to waste time on anything that is not constructive or productive. Right now, I've started teaching what is scatter plot, so you have to bear with me. Okay,
oh,
Mandeep, be on mute. Okay, so what I was saying was, in the night, when you look at the sky, assuming it's not cloudy, you can see the sky. What do you see is all stars, right? You see in some portions of the sky it will look like a lot of stars. Some area will look like having less stars. Some area will look almost empty. Some area will have nothing. That is exactly how a scatter plot looks like. So in the night, whatever you see in the sky, like the stars, when your stars are scattered all around, that is how a scatter plot looks like.
Oh, I know.
Hands down. I'm not letting you talk. Yes, Sanvi G, tell me.
So, scattered plot is it kind of like the information is scattered?
I will come to that, beta. I'm just setting the context right now. Yeah.
Oh, it's for that too. It does get a plot. I
Yeah.
think I've seen one before.
You have not seen anything right now. You will hear me out carefully. If you stop stretching right now, you are not doing any coaching for any sports event where you have to stretch, then put sit-ups, then do plank, all that. Okay, sit properly like a student. I have to find out ways to discipline you actually. I have to find out ways to discipline you because you are the one who is disturbing the whole class. I'm not going to entertain that for long enough. You are almost reaching the threshold where I have to say, okay, sorry, you cannot be in this class. You have almost reached there. One more mistake, I'll have to just make a small call. Alright, so here, whatever you see in the sky, this is a good representation of the scattered plot. And why it is called scattered plot? Because you have all the stars scattered in the sky. Now, let's look at this against a coordinate plane where you have x-axis here, you have y-axis here. Imagine you have a large coordinate plane drawn in the sky. And these stars that you see, replace all these stars with data or information. When you have lot of information scattered in this form and drawn on a coordinate plane, this is called scattered plot. Now you will, okay, stop there. Not every sentence of mine needs a reaction. Now, when you see lot of data here, scattered all around the coordinate plane, you will see some certain areas where you have lot of information, lot of data. Now imagine this is representing temperature of every day at different times. Okay, let's say this is Sunday, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday, Saturday, and then this is at 5 p.m. Okay, no, sorry. 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees. So they are like if you look at this one is talking about temperature on Monday. Let's say here 5 p.m., 10 p.m., 12 p.m. So this is representing, okay, this dot is representing temperature between Sunday and Monday at 12 a.m. in the night is 20 degrees. If you look at this one, this is talking about temperature between Monday and Tuesday at certain time is 20 degrees. So if you are looking at a winter season when it gets really cold, Kian, hands down, beta. You guys have to let me complete my chain of thought. Otherwise,
Next question.
no, you have to still let me complete my chain of thought. Okay? I'll come to you guys, but we have to cut down on unnecessary discussions, otherwise we are not getting anywhere. Now what I'm trying to say is, if you are looking at, let's say, winter, you will see your temperature is in the lower range here. This point will be cluttered, this point will be very light. Like there are only few days when the temperature was in a higher range. So basically by looking at this scatter plot, you can understand what is the trend, where you have density, where you have more information, where you have more data. That is what scatter plot helps you predict. And right now, helps you represent. But let me take Kian's question first before I move on. Yes, Kian, go ahead. What is the question?
What I was trying to say was, it was before you added these more lines. What I was saying was, if you do it like that, then there is going, like there was a certain row near Thursday-ish, or around Thursday, where there were no dots. So then technically it wouldn't be representing the...
Nobody. See again.
You're on mute. Sir, you're on mute.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So here, again, don't question the data right now. Because I'm not trying to defend the data. What I'm trying to represent here is that when you are dealing with lots of information, from that information, if you just plot it on a coordinate plane, you will see that there are certain areas in the coordinate plane where it is very dense. A lot of information is in that area. And there is some area or regions where there will be no information or less density of data. Now think about we try to plot the age of 500 students on this one of grade 4. Hands down, let me. Yeah. So, let's say if I'm trying to draw or plot age of 500 students in 4th grade across X number of school districts. Now, what will happen is, forget about this. What will happen is, let's say if I'm talking about kids, here I have 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, 16 years and 18 years. I'm talking about kids in the range of, in the 4th grade. And I'm talking about 500 kids. What you'll see is, most of the kids in the 4th grade will be of the age group 8 to 10 years. So this is the area where you will see lot of cluttering, okay? Lot of data. Here, there are still some kids who are 12 years old but still in the 4th grade, for whatever reason. There could be a situation,
Sir, you're muted.
somebody is muting me. Can you guys stop playing with the screen? If somebody keeps on clicking on different this menu options, somebody will end up muting me. So please don't do that. Yeah, Lach.
I thought only if the call was open to anyone, you can't do anything.
It's okay. Let's not do any research on that one. What I'm saying is, please don't play with that. Otherwise, the whole class gets disturbed. So what I was trying to say was, let's say if you're analyzing some behavior with a lot of information. Let's say if I'm plotting age of kids in the 4th grade, I'm trying to plot 500 students. What I'm seeing is, most of the kids are falling in the range of 8 to 10 years. So all the data I plotted, every dot is representing one child. This place is cluttered. And this area, 10 to 12 years, is less information, meaning less kids. If I'm saying 18 years, maybe there's nobody or there's one child who's 18 years old but still in 4th grade. And there could be a reason for it. Again, instead of jumping on it, there could be a situation, okay? There could be a medical situation. Your situation is different. Your situation is not medical. You are being overly naughty without any reason. But there could be people with medical conditions who are 18 years old but still in 4th grade. That is possible. Yeah?
Is that always failing?
I mean, again, I'm not going into that. Now, failing, people don't fail here, right? People, I've seen kids not doing anything going till 10th grade here.
Is there anybody that's actually 18 and still in 4th grade?
There could be some. It could be because of medical conditions, right? I mean, some people who grow with age but don't grow that fast on the IQ level, right? I mean, so but yeah, barring that information question on the data, what I'm saying is, scatter plot tells you that okay, this is the region where you'll have most of the data, or maybe something like this. In this region you have a lot of information, and this area is less data. So there is a line or the axis which defines where your most of the data is. If you're talking about a lot of information, a lot of data, there's a certain line or area where most of your data resides. That's called axis of symmetry or line of symmetry, meaning the line where your maximum data is, maximum information is. All the things that is here or here or here, those are outliers. And I'm sure everybody is confused right now, thinking, what is a scatter plot? What is a dot plot? How do we relate these two things? Yeah? Are you?
I don't understand anything, but I'm kind of actually understanding the scatter plot.
Okay, so now let's first try to understand what is a dot plot and a scatter plot and what's the difference between these two. Can somebody tell me, only in 2 lines, I don't need a big story, tell me what is a dot plot? Yeah, you tell me.
It's a number line with dots on it.
Okay. What is this used for?
Like
Oh, wait. Yeah.
So it's like used for separating So it's very.
It's not for separating data, for representing data. Okay. Now, so let's try to do some divide and rule. This is dot plot. This is scatter plot. Okay. Now, dot plot, be it scatter plot, both are for representing data. You're talking about a number line. Okay. Let's say okay, fine. How much time somebody took to drive 5 miles at different times? Okay. Somebody took 2 minutes, somebody took 5 minutes, somebody took 10 minutes, somebody took 20 minutes, and in the morning 10 a.m., 12 a.m., 5 p.m. Now, when you are plotting how many people, let's say person 1 took 2 minutes for driving 2 miles at 10 o'clock. Same person when tries to drive 5 miles in the evening took, let's say, 20 minutes because there was a lot of traffic. So this is when I'm representing 1 or 2 person, less number of data against a number line, not lot of criteria, is a dot plot. Imagine I'm trying to plot the same thing for 5,000 people. You will have it all cluttered and lot of data. Get into the habit of listening more. That is how we learn. Talking has to be minimized. Okay? So when you're looking at lot of data, so first difference is less data, less information, you use dot plot. More data, more information, lot of information, you use scatter plot. Here you are looking at 5-6 information, you can read it and derive it. Here you are looking at a lot of information, and then from that you are trying to derive a trend, because you are looking at 5,000 records. Can you get a very clear point from that? No. You have to derive a trend. You have to find out the area which is defining the information or the behavior of the information that you are seeing. I see a lot of questions being asked or a lot of hands being raised. What is the question? I mean, we'll have to look at the scatter plot. I'll bring some examples tomorrow. Okay, I just wanted to set the context first. I'll bring some examples tomorrow. We'll probably look at 1 or 2 examples, deal with it, and then probably that will make a lot more sense. Mandeep, you're saying something? Kian, you're saying something?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Aniket?
There's this thing, and I don't know what it's doing.
Okay, out of syllabus.
Every time I'm on,
It-
it just logs me out.
Okay,
Kicks me out.
out of syllabus. We're not solving that problem. Whenever you get logged out, log back in. That's the way. Alright, so now let me first set the, you guys must be seeing that I'm stopping you guys from talking. And the reason is, we have to cut down or minimize on the talks that is not relevant, because otherwise we'll end up spending a lot of time talking without learning anything. Okay? So that's why I'm stopping you guys. I'm not trying to be rude to anybody. I'm just trying to make sure that as a group we remain disciplined and make best use of the time that we are spending together. Alright? So don't feel bad, don't get offended. Idea is not to make anybody feel bad. The idea is to make sure that we are being mindful and respectful of our time and everybody else's time. Yes, Sanvi B.
There's a timer and it says 0.
Don't worry about that. Though, as long as it doesn't kick us out, we are still good. So before I let you guys go, a quick thing. We just briefly touched upon what is dot plot and scatter plot, and I don't think I have explained much. What we'll do is, in tomorrow's class, we will look at scatter plot, pick up one real life example, plot it, and then we'll look at what are the basic properties or interpretation that we can draw from a scatter plot, and then that will complete our unit on data representation, and then we'll move on to the next topic. Anybody having any doubt before we move on?
No.
Before I let you guys go?
No.
Alright, so have fun and talk to you guys tomorrow same time with a more relevant example that will make a lot more sense. Alright?
Bye, sir.